Under the Radar Buying Guide, your roadmap to navigating urban real estate. Dive into the heart of the city, where the pulse of the streets meets the allure of urban living. The ultimate playbook for navigating the metropolitan real estate maze with flair and finesse. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, get ready to unlock the secrets of city dwelling, where every corner has a story, and every deal is an opportunity for greatness. So the first step is assembling your dream team. Imagine a lineup of urban warriors, agents with a nose for the best locales, mortgage brokers who make numbers dance, and lawyers with an eye for detail sharper than the latest streetwear trends. They're not just experts, they're your personal real estate concierge. Next, we lay down your financial foundations at step number 2. This is about crafting a strategy that fits your lifestyle, turning aspirations into actions. From securing pre-approvals to demystifying fiduciary responsibilities, we elevate your financial savvy to match your urban ambitions. Step 3 is all about defining your dream home. Whether it's a penthouse with a view or a charming brownstone, we listen to what speaks to you. This journey is about matching your unique style with a place you can call home. Now, the adventure, the hunt, and the offer. It's about more than just viewings. It's about envisioning future possibilities. With our guidance, you'll navigate the market with the confidence and acumen of a seasoned collector, making offers that resonate with intent and purpose. Alright, finalizing the deal comes in at step 5. This is where precision meets passion. We meticulously manage every detail from lawyer reviews to the final handshake. It's about ensuring a smooth transition to your new chapter with the finesse and assurance you deserve. Final step, settling in. This is where your dream takes shape in physical form. We're here to ensure everything from setting up utilities to personalizing your space is handled with the utmost care and attention to detail. Welcome to your new urban oasis. Ready to embark on your journey to find the perfect home in the vibrant heart of Toronto? Or perhaps you're scouting for a hidden gem in the GTA. Let's illuminate that path together. Our network, our passion, and our expertise extend throughout Toronto and beyond, connecting you with our trusted partners wherever your search may be. Now, don't keep this secret to yourself. If you or someone you know is ready to discover their next urban sanctuary, reach out to us. Share this video and let's make those real estate dreams a reality. Because remember, in real estate, as in life, the next big thing might just be where you least expect it. Peace out.